Hello children, hope you all are safe and fine. Today we will see the exercises of chapter 17. Let's see question number 1. Put a tick by the ending that gives the most correct meaning. In this question, you have to tick the most correct answer after reading the chapter. Please go through the chapter 2 to 3 times before attempting this question. I hope many of you can able to do this. Now let's see question number 2, that is make 14 different sentences. You all can see a big yellow box in which 3 columns is there. You all have to make sentences like this. Please tell me why they never go to school. Please find, I want to know why the bus has stopped. Try to find out why the policeman will not let us pass. I wonder why they never go to school. So like this you all have to practice. Now let's see question number 3. Make sentences beginning with the words in brackets. You all can see some words are written in the brackets. Ask someone, please tell me. So you all have to make sentence from these words only. Let's see few questions here so that we can understand well. Question number B. Why are the children hurrying? So the answer will be, please tell me why the children are hurrying. Again I am repeating the answer. Please tell me why the children are hurrying. Let's see few more questions. Question number E. Why does it rain in the summertime? In bracket we can see some words are written. I wonder why. So our answer will begin like this. I wonder why it rains in the summertime. I wonder why it rains in the summertime. Like this you all have to practice. Let's see question number I. Why did the policeman jump into the sea? So our answer must start from I know. So the answer will be, I know why the policeman jumped into the sea. Again I am repeating the answer. I know why the policeman jumped into the sea. So like this you all have to practice. Let's see question number 4, that is put is, are, do, does, has or have in the blank spaces. You have to use all these words in the blank spaces. For all information I would like to tell you all is, we use verb is with singular subject, we use are with plural subject and with you, we use do verb with plural subject including I and you, we use does with singular subject just like he, she, it, we use verb has with singular subject like he, she, it, or with any name, we use have with plural subject like they, we, including I and you. So you have to use all these verbs accordingly. I hope you all will be able to do this. Let's see question 5, which is nothing, that is 2 conversations to learn and practice. It is 2 conversation. You all have to practice at your home. Now let's see question number 6. Write out and add punctuation marks and capital letters. You all have to rewrite this small paragraph and you have to punctuate it accordingly. and you have to ensure that capital letters are there in the beginning of sentences. I hope you all will be able to do this. Now let's see question number 7, that is read aloud. You all can see a box in which 4 columns are there: tree, 3, tent, 10th. It is for your oral practice and it is very important. Hope everyone is practicing this at home. Thought, thought, thought. Tread, thread, tread. Boat, both, boat. So like this you all have to practice, and if you can use all these words in your sentences, then it will be more fruitful. Now let's see question number 8, revision. Make sentences beginning with I want to know. So you have to make sentences beginning with I want to know. Let's see question number C. Where does she put the tea? So the answer will be, any guess? I think many of you have guessed nicely. The answer will be, I want to know where she puts the tea. I want to know where she puts the tea. Let's see question number F. How did he do it? So the answer will be, I want to know how he did it. The answer will be, I want to know how he did it. Let's see question number J. What did Miss Shah say? So the answer will be, I want to know what Mrs. Shah said. I want to know what Mrs. Shah said. So like this you all have to practice